Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Fortnite themed chip bag. So over here, I have a few images that I'm going to be pretty much playing around with and using to try to come up with a Fortnite themed chip bag. Um, so yeah, let me just look and see what everything looks like. Okay. Now right now I'm just looking to see which one I would like to use as a background. Okay. So first I would like to use this as the front image. Yeah, I like this one a whole lot better. Okay, so I like this one the best. So now let's see what I would like to use as a background. Let's see how this looks. I may just be able to go ahead and use this for the whole chip bag. Let me see. Okay, yeah, I think I'll just do that. So right now I'm going to format. I'm going to send backwards so that it pushes, everything else forward. I'm going to just shrink this down just a little bit so that I have space to put, the child's name on the bottom. Alright, so let's go to insert. I'm going to shapes and I'm going to click on the rectangle. I'm going to use this for my my border. And I don't know what color. I have no idea. Let's do a dark purple. Yeah, okay, so I'm clicking on no outline. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Alright, let me a little bit smaller. Let me copy that, paste. Let's bring that down here to the bottom. Alright, perfect. Looks great. Now let's go to insert. Let's go to word art. And what the heck was that? Alright, happy birthday. Let me see, okay. I'm just going to leave it as it. I don't want to take too much time on trying to find a font. Let's go to format, shape, fill, and we're going to keep it at white. Just to match the letters. Alright, I'm going to copy that, paste. Then I'm just going to change it to the name. And then shrink it down, of course. And this one will go on the bottom. Let's shrink this just a little bit. Let's outline. Let's add an outline. Let's see if the outline was black. Format. Alright. I'm also going to insert an additional outline border as well. So let's go back to insert. You know what? Let's do it this way. Let's just copy this existing. Let's just copy this existing border. Now let's paste it and then just change the color to black and let's shrink this down. Too small. Alright, perfect. And then let's just go ahead and set it on top right there. Copy that. Paste. Now these images will be on my Patreon page for for you guys to use. Let's see if I actually did the words in black. and then did the outline in white. Ooh, no. Okay, let's switch that back. Or the words in purple. There's so many different ways you can do this. Like, so many. Okay, so let's move on to the back. Let's go to insert. Let's go to word art. And our message. Thanks for coming to my birthday royale. Alright, and let's do, wait, where's it at? Where's the words? Right here. Alright, let's move on to the back. Let's move it up a little bit. And you guys know I always like to add images to everything. So I'm also going to put another Fortnite image right here as well. Okay, so this is one way. We could also change this purple. Let's see what it look like in blue, I guess. Let's see. Nope. Not nope. Nope. Don't like it. Okay. So I guess it's not that many ways, but let's see. Let's say we wanted to do a different sides. Okay, so let's take this image. Let's go to format. Let's go to crop, and we're going to crop this image down to just this right here, because this is a pretty color, and I initially wanted to use this for the back anyway. So let's just see what this looks like. Copy, paste, and then we'll do the same for this side as well. I'm going to shorten it. We'll go to format and push back, send backwards. And there you go. Or, you know, you can do the same thing with this. Shoot, if you wanted to use this instead, go back to format, go to crop, and crop this down to just right there. Now let's put this on the back. See, so there is a ton of things that you can do, and even if you wanted to, wait, let me push this back. Even if you wanted to, you could also change the color of this. Go to format, go to recolor, and it'll bring up like all of these different, you know, options, and bam, you just change the color of it. So there is, you know, a ton that you can do. All of the images is going to be on my Patreon page. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask.